Look what I got in the mail today. An eco printer tank. And let's see how far we get. Also, the USB cable isn't provided. Thank you, Epson. So I got myself two, just one extra, just in case. If the one doesn't work, then the other hopefully works. And they are always useful. So what do we have here? Cofax power standard ×3. Exceeds your vision. Do they think I'm blind or something? No, next up is some kind of driver thing. This is 2023. Wow, what is the driver doing? Now we have here a black bottle. It's called Negro, and another black bottle. Why is there two black bottles? But yeah, so far so good. So much plastic. Then we have here garrafa de tinta. So it's a CMYK, right? So cyan, magenta, yellow, SME we have. What was the K standing for? For CMYK. It was called CMYK. I'm pretty sure about it. Make sure that the blue things are in place, otherwise you would be buying what's it called, a second-hand copy that somebody's cat pissed on. So this is 2. Epson loves plastic. And this is the scanner. Don't need the scanner right now. This on the inside has protective plastic and more plastic. Problem is that this you have to go all over around, otherwise the printer head won't move. That would be pitiful. So it's CMYK. This is also plastic, but I'm not sure if I should remove this. I think this is a protector. There isn't any blue, and I take that as a sign that I shouldn't touch it. Well, this is the 3850. That is a really expensive version of the 2850 with the sole difference. I can leave this on. With the sole difference that it has a paper tray and a better menu, and most importantly, you can use a wire. On the back side there's also plastic, but I'm going to leave that on because it's not really important yet. Now, there aren't any handles, so you have to use your weight. And now it is here, all nice and dandy. The cable is needed. It's not a safety 4-pin needle, just one of the old times. To be honest, it also, the whole technology feels like 1980. So let's get rid of the plastic and check if we can reach a power source. It's going to be tricky because it's on the left extremity. I think we can manage for now. Let's try it on. I said let's try it on. Yeah. Okay. So we have light. And we have a menu. English. In red is highlighted continue setup without the app, which is exactly what I want, because I hate apps. You hear the whirring noise. It says processing, and we are now 8 minutes in, so in the meantime let's open these bottles. And use a pair of scissors to keep this, because we are going to drill holes on the on the bottom once this is finished, so you can reuse it via the opening while you're still having the key for black. Okay, see the start here bundled with the printer or on website to complete initialization. I think this is now the time to find the USB entry. We have USB B. I also have, because I'm not stupid, a USB A. And I suspect they want USB A to USB B. But let's just first try USB B. And the question is, where is the female opening? That was the whole point of the 3850, that you don't have to bother with stupid apps. find the opening. I don't see any USB entry. I'll come back to you and read the manual, and we'll see from there.